All right, so our magic is done from the lamp. Let's move towards the genie sprite. I'm in the genie sprite right now, and let's see what three costumes we have. Genie is pointing. Genie is saying something like Dada or something. So Genie is standing with the folding hands. And we have two sounds, magic spell and fairy dust. Okay, let's program the Genie quickly. I'm going to show this Genie so that we can find it out. What is the size of this Genie right now from the looks? Just show this Genie and see that where on the screen this Genie is standing. Okay, right now this Genie is here and the costume is this hand folded, but as you can see from this project, we need this Genie when it is coming out, this Genie saying Genie is out, and it's then pointing and saying hello, how can I help you, and then it is floating in the air. Let's see again. Genie is out, and then it is saying, see, Genie was very small in the start when it is coming out from the lamp, and it is growing bigger, and its transparency is also changing. Just have a close look. Genie was little bit, so Genie's transparency is changing. From less visible, it is coming to completely visible because it is a ghost, right? So we need a ghost effect over here. Okay, let's go back. Let's show this. So of course, when the flag is clicked, the Genie should be hidden. When we need to show this Genie, when we will receive this message, broadcast magic done. So we need to get this message. We need to cast this message. When I receive magic done, then we need to show this Genie. Otherwise, in the flag clicked in the start of the story, it should stay hidden. All right, and we need to set the size of this Genie because it should be very small. We are going to set its size to maybe very small, let's say 20%, and let me check where it is gone. Let me first find it out over here, and of course it is hidden over here, so we need to set its size by showing it first so that we can find its size. So this is the Genie currently with 50% size. I'm going to set its size to 20%. So its size is 20%. It should start exactly right from the lamp edge. So we needed to put it somewhere over here. You can see the coordinates X and Y, 110 and 79. Let's put it a little bit more down over here, and let's check the coordinate. Maybe let me try. No need to guess any coordinate. Again, I'm explaining. You just need to find it out where it is looking more better, more realistic. So I think this position is fine. So now I'm going to grab this from the motion section, go to this place. All the time in the start, go to this place, and then we need to switch its costume. Which one? This one, because this is the costume that it should be when it is coming out. So how we can switch the costume? From the look, switch the costume to Genie out. So this is all our initialization, and in the initialization code it should be hidden. We are setting its size, we are setting its position, we are changing its costume. And when I receive magic done, then we need to show this, and what we need to do, we need to make a ghost effect. Let me quickly explain you what a ghost effect is. This is our sample project. No need to make another project. So when flag clicked show, I'm showing this cat and doing nothing. You need to go to look section, and here you have a block over here. Change this one, change color effect by. You need to change color effect by to, there are so many actually interesting things you can try with them. Ghost effect by something. So ghost effect of 100 means totally invisible or transparent. Ghost effect of 1 means totally visible. Alright, so 100 means totally invisible. So I'm going to make this cat totally invisible. How I'm going to do it? I'm going to bring a I'm going to bring a repeat block over here. In the repeat block, I have added change ghost effect by 10. So if this loop will run 10 times, so 10 times 10 is 100. So over the 10 repetition, this cat will eventually become invisible. I have added a little bit weight so that you can actually see that what is happening to this cat. So I'm going to press on the flag. See, over the repetition of 10, this cat is totally invisible, right? And let's bring this cat back. I'm going to add another repeat block, and in this repeat block, change ghost effect by -10. So when this loop will work, it will go back to 1 by making it negative effect, and this cat will be visible again. See, this cat is gone from the screen, and again it is appearing on the screen, right? So this is called the ghost effect. Ghost effect of 100 means totally transparent. Over the repetition of 10, this cat will be invisible, and then again over the 10 repetition, this cat will be visible because I am doing over here -10. Alright, so this is how our ghost effect works. The same thing I am going to implement over here, because you can see that when this genie is very small and it is coming out from the lamp, it is actually giving us a ghost effect from the less visible to visible state. Okay. In the start, I am going to set its ghost effect to 100, totally invisible. Then I am going to change its effect over the repetition of 20, because I need a slow effect. 20, and 20 times how much is 100? 20 times 5 is 100. So 20 times 5, if I will do this, then this genie will be fully appeared on the screen, and I am going to change its ghost effect to by 5. So 20 times 5. So the first time it will come, it will make it little bit more transparent. I'm doing it -5. We have to make it transparent. It will make it less transparent, more visible until you can see this genie fully on the screen. And how, we need to grow this genie also. We need to grow this genie, and we need to set its position also. Let's grow this genie a little. So let's change its size by some number, and we will find it out. Change its size by maybe 4. I'm just guessing a number, okay? Change its size by 4, and let's see what will happen. So this lamp is shaking, and when this lamp will done, it will send the message, this one, and this color is changed because over here I did not set it to ghost. See, you can see that its color is also changed. We can change the color like this also. Okay, so the genie is out, but it is too much bigger, and it is actually not doing anything. So we have to position this genie on the screen properly. The size is looking me a little bit bigger, and also when this genie will come out, we have to set its X and Y. Like, it should look like that it is actually coming out from the lamp. So when it is coming out from the lamp, I have to set its X and Y accordingly. So let me change its Y a little bit towards up, and also X towards left. So it will give us the impression that it is coming out. I am changing its Y a little bit towards to upwards 4, and I am changing its X by, maybe you can say, so we have to move left, so it means we have to move negative number, -3. Let's see now where this genie will go. It is coming out, but you can see that its tail is actually not coming properly out from this lamp. Let me do a little bit more amendment to this code. Maybe we need to change a little bit Y towards 0.5 properly up, because as you can see that with the 5, it was not going properly to the, see, we need this genie a little bit more up, like here. All right, and also x a little bit towards backwards. X is too much more towards left. See, x is more towards left and y is too much down. So we need y a little bit increment in the y, like it should go a little bit more up, and x should, let me show this one. See, our y is almost right, but x is going too much in this lamp. It should be somewhere like here. So let me decrement a little bit less. No, we need to adjust its position a little bit more over here. 2.5, let me see. And a little bit more up, maybe 4.8. Let's check. So it is almost looking fine to me. So this is better. So now genie is out. All right, and we will continue in our third part.